How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling social media templates on Etsy. So let's get started by going to Etsy.com to show you the examples of the product that we will be selling. So here let's go to the search and type social media templates, which is the product that we will be selling in on Etsy. So here I'm going to show you your competitors and how much money they are making by selling this one only product. So here let's wait for it to load, and then we will scroll down to see how much money these people are making with this one only product. So here let's scroll down. We have a colorful Instagram template bundle for $11.33, this one for $9.12. But let's look for the popular ones. Here we have a popular one in here, $22, new and improved 2024 social media manager. And another popular one in here. Let's go for this popular one in here, 1,800 Instagram post stories, and it's a digital product as well. Let's go for the popular one. I think let's go for this one here. Let's check this one here. Let's wait for it to load, and here you can see that the sale ends on May 31. By scrolling down, and guys, the reason I love the digital product so much is that there is no refunds in the digital products, and also there is no returns. I think there might be a refund, but returns are not available because you will not get a physical product to return it. And the digital product, there is nothing to return about it. You can just get the product and just ask for a return just to scam the seller. So here, by scrolling down, you can see all of the features that are included in this bundle. And if you scroll down, you will see how does this product work and the terms of use. These products are for your own personal use only. By purchasing these products, you agree to not share, sell, or redistribute this product in any form. Derivative works are prohibited. All works are copyrighted and belong to Parsimonia LLC. Additional information: by purchasing this product, you agree to our cancellation policies. Due to the digital non-returnable nature of our digital products, refunds are not available. So as I said, guys, all of this money is going straight to your pocket. You won't need to pay any shipping or pay any third-party platform or any refunds or anything like that. You will just list your product and the client will buy the product, and you will have the money in your pocket. So let's go to a website called Everbee to see how much sales this shop is making with this one only product, because we can guess the amount of sales that they're making just from the reviews. Let's sign up first. We can see the sales in this platform, but we did not pay for the upgraded version, so we'll just use the free one. And from the free one, you can also guess the amount of sales that they are making easily, because the rule says that half of the people that buy the product leave a review. So we will just see the reviews and multiply them by 2, then you will have the amount of sales that this person is making from that product. So here let's say the name of this shop. Let's scroll down to copy the name. This is the name of the shop, so let's copy it. Here I need to copy the name, copy, and I'm going to take it here, paste, and click on search for the shop, and let's wait for it to load. to see how much money these people are making. Then I'm going to show you how you can create products like that very easily. So here the total of listings that they have is 149 listings, and here you will be able to see all of their listings and the listings age, how many people made it their favorite, or added the product to their favorites list, and the category of the product, the shop's age. And here if you pay for the upgraded version, you will be able to see the conversion rate, and here you have the total shop sales. So here you can see that these people made a lot of money, more than 4,000 sales in total of this shop. If you just multiply that by 2, or if you just multiply $4,000 by 2, that means this shop made $28 plus, more than $28,000. But as you can see in here, they have products for $30, $90, so they made a lot more than that. So here we need to look for the product here which costs $5. So let's look for the product with $5. So here we need to upgrade in order to see that. So here let's just check a random product for $8 or something like that, just to see how much sales they got from the one product per month. So here let's check this product here who costs $8. Let's see the listing age 6 months, and so this product didn't make much money for them. As you can see, 1 review per month, so they're making approximately 2 sales per month with this product. Let's check another one, for example. Let's check, I don't know, let's check this. Let's see if there are any other products here. Let's see if here, let's check this product here who costs $3. So here let's wait for the reviews. So the reviews per month are 3, so that means they are making approximately 6 sales with this product per month, and they made so far more than 100 sales with this product, and they listed it 18 months ago. So I'm going to show you how you can create products like this. You can just go to canva.com and wait for it to load, and here you will be able to create products exactly like these ones with no effort whatsoever. You will just take the template, then make adjustments to the templates, and then create your own product on Etsy. So here let's wait for it to load, and here you will be able to see a lot of templates to use to create your own product. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.